Teach your dog how to nudge the hand. Full lesson and go. Good job, Mama. That was so impressive. So there are a few ways that you can teach the nudge behavior. Use this for a variety of things. You can have teach this as an alert behavior, a way of indicating to a medical episode. So let's say you have diabetes or POTS or seizures. This can be the way for your dog to let you know that they are smelling a unique medical alert odor. And so this can be used as an alert behavior, but this can also be used for redirection. So let's say you have PTSD or even just a lot of anxiety, and this can be used to help remind you to focus on your dog, remind you to pay attention to how cute they are, look into your dog's eyes, which will essentially redirect you. And even if you have like a disassociative state, it'll help you focus on being here and now and present. This is also even helpful if you let's say you scroll too much and you want your dog to remind you to stop scrolling so much. They can come over and give you little nudges, and that will be your cue to say, hey, okay, it's my time to pay attention to my dog and change up what I'm doing. So there are a few different ways. The first way we're going to teach is on the hand, and this is pretty simple. We just have food. We put food in the hand. Right, Jeannie? Food's in the hand. Close the hand. Kind of present it to him. I don't want her licking, so I'm waiting. Yes, until she touches my hand with the front of her nose, either the top or the front of her nose. And, oh, hi, is this your puppy? Nice. And without a lick, okay? Yes, good girl. And then open up that hand. So you're going to mark with the word yes or using a clicker, and then you're going to open up that hand. So when I have food in it, a few pieces, kind of present your hand. Yeah, yes, good girl. With this side, the knuckle side towards her, and then open up the hand when she does the nose touching to your hand. Okay? Yes, good girl. Too much licking? Yes, good girl. So if she's just licking, take your hand away, bring it back until you don't have a lick. And if you want to train the lick, you can. Whoa, bad, you pushy. Too much licking. So I take my hand away, present. Nope, too much. Take it away. Nope. You're fine. You're fine. Too much licking. You got it. Nope. 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 What do you think? You can keep trying. Ready? Yes, there it is. Good girl. Very nice. Yes, there it is. Yes, good girl. Yes. Yes, nice. There she goes. So now she realized what I wanted, which was no licking. Yeah. Oh, so she brought it back. I take the hand away. Start again. Yes, there it is. Mark and reward when I don't have a lick. Yes, good girl. Very nice. Good job, Mama.